Legends, ever been to the supermarket and wondered why you get half a kilo of sausage mince? Now you're going to find out. Special lunchtime edition, doing up one of my favourite meals that I make at home, and is called Aussie sausage rolls. Pretty simple. I'm going to do it in the air fryer today. You can do it in the oven. Need 2 sheets of puff pastry, half a kilo of sausage meat. We need half a cup of breadcrumbs, and just some spices. You can mix these up for a little bit. I use chicken salt, pepper, yum, oregano, garlic powder, ginger powder, and some chilli flakes. About a teaspoon of most of all those. I'll put the actual exact dimensions on screen when I go through. So pretty much you will know what to do. Okay, so we're just putting our half kilo of sausage meat into the bowl to mix it up.
What sausage mince did you buy?
Like it's
what?
Beef. It's just available in the supermarkets. It's beef. It's available. It's in a sausage roll meat.
Oh, it does say sausage roll meat.
Half a cup of breadcrumbs. Legends. So we've got a teaspoon of coriander, half a teaspoon of chilli, quarter teaspoon of yum and pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, and half a teaspoon of chicken salt. And we just throw them all in.
Half a teaspoon of chicken salt, that looks like a lot more. Okay.
Like I said, you can add your own little spices and flavours, just whatever you got in the cupboard, and just mix this through thoroughly. Okay? Mix it through with your hands. Sometimes it's better if your hand's wet.
Do you not put an egg in there or anything?
No, a wet hand. Once the breadcrumbs get in there, it gets a little bit less sticky. Okay, so we're just going to cut these in half with our knife, our Japanese knife, which is available on our Amazon store now. Have a look and want to get one of those. They are absolutely brilliant. That's not a knife. This is a knife. And so we're going to break this into halves first and then halves again. So we've got quarters to go in each. Try and get them even. You can always adjust them later. Whack them down. Even, so we're just going to spread them out in a lengthways. Getting your hands dirty today.
You can see Scott's made this many times.
Yeah.
It's an absolute family favourite.
Yeah, when you pay almost $6 for one sausage roll now from a bakery, and I can make the whole lot here for $7.
That's including the puff pastry.
With the pastry, yep.
Which
everything.
we always have in our deep freeze.
Yeah.
You can buy it in sheets.
Yep. Can use an egg. You can also just use a bit of milk. It's a little bit cheaper. Okay, so with our milk, if you haven't got a brush, you can just use your finger. I've done that before when I couldn't find the brush. And just brush along the edge there. And we're just going to roll it nicely. Pull back the plastic. And we're just going to tuck it in like so, like you're rolling a big cigarette. Like so. And we have it. One done. Okay, now we just cut them in half, and then we cut them in thirds. You can cut them bigger if you want, you can do whatever you like, but that's the way I like to do it. Okay, so we put our sausage rolls onto baking paper, and we're going to brush them with milk. Full power, all elements going.
For our air fryer. I'm gonna watch Scott struggle.
Drop them in like that. Okay, we're going to do 5 minutes on that side. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're just going to spin those and just brown the other side. You don't have to. But just, there we go, legends. Beautifully browned. And then just put them on a plate and serve them up with your favourite Australian Aussie, or wherever you're looking from, tomato sauce. Be careful, they're hot. Winter's day by the pool with our beautiful sausage rolls.
Oh.
Doesn't get better than this.